Well, hello there. Welcome back to my channel. I haven't posted in a while, but I am back, honey, to share my sweet and sour chicken recipe with y'all. I pray God's richest blessings on all of y'all, and thank you so much for the support. To the new viewers, you are most welcome. Stay tuned. This is quite simple and easy to make. Now let's make the sauce and set it aside. I'm going to go in with some ketchup, some hot pepper sauce. You can skip this, but I like the kick this adds. I got me some soy sauce. You want to use a good quality soy sauce for this recipe. I have me some granulated sugar. I don't want it too sweet, so I didn't use too much. I have me some pineapple juice here. Then I'm going to go in with some vinegar for that little tang. I'm going to give this a good mix, bring everything together, and get that sugar to dissolve. Once we're finished with this, we're going to set this aside and work on our chicken. Now you want to make sure you wash your chicken breasts with vinegar and water or lime and water, then pat dry. And this is all the seasoning I'm going to be using on this today. You don't want any confusion with too much seasoning. That's it. We keep it simple. This is a very simple recipe, guys. Gonna get that mixed in and let it marinate for about an hour or two. That's good. I'm gonna go ahead and get my oil hot and ready. I'm using medium-high heat. You don't want the heat to be too much because you want these to cook through, not burn on the outside and raw on the inside. And while that is heating up, I'm going to go ahead and make a batter for this. I'm going in with some cornstarch, some flour, a pinch of baking powder, and I'm going to add a bit of salt to that and some cold water. I'm going to give that a good mix. Now, there are different ways to do the batter. You can even just do a dry coating, but I'm just going to be showing you this way today. Just want to get that mix out. This is perfect. The batter is not supposed to be too runny or too thick. This consistency is just perfect. Now you want to shake off the excess and into the hot oil. You don't want to overcrowd the pan. Make sure there's space between each pieces of chicken. You want them to be nice and crispy. These will take a total of 2 to 3 minutes to fully cook through. Fry until they're golden brown on both sides. These are nice and golden brown and fully cooked through. I'm going to remove these and place them on some absorbent paper and keep going till all my pieces are fried up. Sweet and sour chicken is a classic Chinese takeout option, and well, it's very easy to make. Most of us are usually intimidated, but I promise it's simple and easy to make. So I went ahead and drained off all but 1 tablespoon of oil, and I'm going in with some onion and some bell peppers, different color bell peppers for that, color popping. And I'm just going to saute these for just a minute or just under a minute because I want that crunch, when you bite into them. Just saute it a little bit to release some flavors. The onion will help balance out the flavors. You don't want just a sweetish sour punch from the pineapple and vinegar. Now I'm going in with my sauce, and just as it starts to bubble a little bit, I'm going to go in with my chicken, and I'm adding some pineapple chunks there. I give that a good mix. Once it starts to bubble a little bit, I'm going to go in with my chicken. And because of the batter, this will act as a sponge and absorb the liquid. This is delicious, guys. You have to try this recipe. And like I said, there are different ways to do this, and this is just one of them. I hope you guys like this recipe as much as I do. I always enjoy a good sweet and sour chicken. I'm a bit hoarse, guys, but that's a part of life. This smells lovely, and that's it. I'm going to turn off the stove and I'm going to serve this up, and you can serve this up with whatever starch you want. You can even make a wrap and toss in some lettuce and some tomatoes and some carrots and cabbage, whatever you want. And that's it. This is looking lovely. The color is popping. The chicken is nice and juicy. It's cooked through. It's not dry. This is lovely, guys. It smells good. You have to try this recipe. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.